Hey all, today we are going to the Sky City Mall. So stay tuned with us for more updates on this. Busy driving in this traffic. Joy, say hi to everybody.
Hello.
And there are so much of traffic you all can see. So mom is there and she's just sitting. Mom, please say hi to everybody.
Hi.
So we just reached the mall now.
This mall is very close to our house, as I have already told you all before. Hence, we all love coming here. So, we already reached the mall. As you can see, Joy and Mom, we are all entering inside.
I'm going to the body shop right now as Joy's screen got over.
Joy always stays very simple and he doesn't want anything which is expensive or in luxury. So, whenever anything gets over, like his cream or anything, which whatever I purchase for him, I always, refill it because I know that he is so reluctant to do it. So, I definitely take care of all these things for him. And over the years, today I love doing this for him. So after shopping from Body Shop, now we will go towards daily objects, and in between there is a beautiful Ganpati idol, and this is the mall, committee. They have done the puja here, and it's beautifully decorated. So we loved watching it. And Joy is already here in daily objects, and we are going inside now.
In daily objects right now. As you all know, it's one of my most favorite store in Sky City Mall, and I have to come here when I'm in Sky City.
As usual, my eyes always stuck to these colorful phone covers.
Now, after the shopping, we are going towards the mainland China for dinner.
All of us love Chinese a lot. Hence, we decided to have our dinner today in the mainland China in the Asia Kitchen. And like they are very famous for Chinese, as you all know. And after reaching, Joy is already sitting here and he is checking what to order and what not. Ah, and we are all eager, and I'm waiting for my drink. And here you go. I got my drink. Today I am having fresh lime soda instead of mojito and a soup. It's a seafood soup which I wanted to have, and then Joy is having a veg soup. The best part here in mainland China is the way they make their Chinese. I love the flavor of it, especially, and I keep coming here because this is near also and very convenient for us to reach and a very good place to have the dinner.
Mom and Joy, they both wanted to have a noodles preparations, and I, as usual, my favorite rice.
The best part is this fish recipe was in basa fish, but I didn't want to have basa, so they have prepared it in pomfret, and it was so nice in taste. At the end, my mom's favorite momo is here. She loves, having momo. And Joy wanted to have this drink, so he's having it. It is looking fancy.
Done with our shopping, going towards home now. I'm gonna share all the things, whatever I bought today, once I reach home.
Reached home just now, and mom has taken this bag, beautiful red bag from Daily Objects. And today she has got everything red, even the plug and the wires is also red. So she loved the plug which I got the other day, which is very sleek. And this was Joy's present for me. He wanted me to have this power bank, which is very useful since I do shooting. So at times I don't get, every place you cannot charge your phone. So this power bank is very useful for me. And these are the face wash and the cream for Joy, which I've taken from the body shop, and a loofah for mom. So that's all we have shopped for today.
A day spent well with lot of happiness. I have enjoyed a lot and shared with all of you what all I've shopped today. That's all for today now. Until next, me Paulomi signing off from Welcome to My World. Bye.